Do you want to clear, delete, increase and disable ChatGPT memory? Then you are at the right place, as we have the ways to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. ChatGPT can update pre-existing memories or consolidate them whenever needed. Though it has been trained not to remember sensitive information unless you explicitly ask it to, you can clear, delete or disable its memory at any time if you are concerned about privacy or wish to manage what it remembers. Now, in this video, we will show you how to clear, delete, increase or disable ChatGPT memory in Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. 1. Clear, delete ChatGPT memory. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Click on Personalization in the left pane of the Settings pop-up. To delete individual memories, click on the Manage button. You will see a list of memories ChatGPT manages for you. Click the trash icon next to the specific memory you want to delete. A confirmation pop-up should appear. Click on Forget to clear the memory. To clear all the memories, click on the Clear Memories button at the bottom and confirm your selection. When memory is on, you can also directly ask ChatGPT to forget specific details. For example, you can type, "Forget that I work for TheWindowsClub.com" or clear all memory by typing, "Forget everything you have remembered" and so on. You should get a confirmation message like this. If you delete your OpenAI account, any stored information including memories retained by ChatGPT is permanently erased as a part of the account deletion process. 2. Increase ChatGPT memory. ChatGPT's memory limit per session is fixed and cannot be increased by users. Memory across sessions is also a feature, not an upgrade, so it is not tied to payment yet. However, if your ChatGPT memory is full or near capacity, you may take specific measures to regain and optimize the memory space. Like you can review and delete unnecessary from memory via settings. You can ask ChatGPT to forget specific details, like you can instruct, "Forget my last conversation about air purifiers." You can also ask ChatGPT to summarize the key points of the current chat, like, "Summarize this conversation and include only the most important details." Or ask it to remove point X and focus on points Y and Z. Then explicitly tell ChatGPT to remember it, like, "Store the summary in memory and forget the rest of the conversation," and so on. For more details, you can follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.